Hanyo hailam sogo star careero jotono 24 June 2020 ni current affairs suo omotamon bagai important TPSC examination joto TPSC examination bagai important tainero free PDF mannai chini o channel bisingte bojaga mannai ke telegram o mannai telegram apps download khaina dinaro telegram apps download khaimani ulo chini channel o star career tripura ajaga search khai join khaidi gyaro norok free PDF mannai tai norok chini o show no chajagi tongkhangke star career no subscribe khaina ta pokdi tai chini Facebook o follow khaidi tai chini tini ni current affairs show ni summary ngai tamo question MCQ question tongnai national international tai tripani tongnai aboni ulo last tongke chini always not chungtumnai static gk last tam deleno chungtumnai 3 country ni capital currency tai tamo tongnai last tongke wall ni koto organization aboni full form tai bini head sabo bobupro formation kha bini country member sabo aborok jotono saimannai genorok jotono chini o session no pulani simik paithak jora naitongdi tini number 1 question tamo which they observe as the international widows day a 20 June b 23 June c 24 June d 25 June okay right answer nalani jang 23 June mutunarok de kam ke international widows day 23 June observe khajo okay next thanglani jang which ministry organized a campaign Namaste Yoga from 19 to 21st June 2020 bo ministry organize khaikya Namaste Yoga campaign 19 June nisimi 21st June jora okay bo ministry sungailani tabo right answer Ministry of Culture mitnardi important number 3 question Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched a platform for higher education institutes. Tamsaka Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank bo launch khaikya kaisa platform higher education ni bagai. A platform ni bumung tamo. Pokai Ramesh Pokhriyal sabo saidiman Ramesh Pokhriyal angka HRD Minister, Human Resource and Development Minister, Union Minister. Mujunaram di tamne minister angka HRD Minister, Human Resource and Development Minister. Omatamni platform. Chini education o COVID-19 ni noti COVID-19 paikengke COVID-19 baike hamka tamtama ke treatment rajaka abune tui further education ranan bagai kaisa platform khlok jaka a platform ni bumungtam a Yukti 2.0 b Muktu c Yukti 1.0 D. Gamen. Tamungai right answer Yukti 2.0. Number 4. Which institute has developed a homegrown receiver chip Dhruva that can be used in smartphones navigation devices to find location and routes within the country? Tamsaka nadi bo institute chini country wo India wo first kaisa receiver chip Dhruva hene bumo abo develop khaikya snam abo buro use ngai smartphone dogo jeng use khaiman jaga tai navigation device means tamo army ro use khayo war rok nangphor rogo map nainan bagai India ni bisingo siming omo use ngai India ni map ni bisingo tai India ni map ni kisa kana gini bu use ngai o chip ni bising omongkha naidi chini navigation signal manan bagai kaisa navigation navig satellite rohjak tong India ni aboni signal kaham ke manani bagai chini smartphone rogo tai navigation device rogo kaisa chip nango a signal a satellite ni signal no receive khainan bagai hingke abon bagai kaisa chip snamjaka abon bungka Dhruva abo bo institute snamka genalene a IIT Bombay IIT Delhi, C. IIT Kanpur, D. IIT Gandhinagar. Right answer angka IIT Bombay. O chip chini mobile phone ko use ngai jeng chini mobile phone tam use khai Google Map abo use khai man hai omong ke India ni kaisa India ni navigation naijang nai omni through dui jeng chini mobile phone India ni map o jeng chini location rok jeng saiman nai chini lama rok jeng pujaga tong abo rok jeng jotono saiman nai o receiver ni bisingtui receiver chip ni bisingtui o chini mobile logo next year ko use khai mano next year mobile ketal rok phaigen ke ajaga o chip use khai mano ga jeng chini India ni kaisa navigation system India ni map o chini location rok jeng boro tong abo rok jeng saiman nai. Number 5. Which state will launch Play Little, Study Little scheme for school students? Bo state kaisa scheme launch khai kya scheme ni bung tamo Play Little, Study Little. Okay, jungna ngai A. Kolkata, B. Bihar, C. Tripura, D. Uttarakhand. Right answer angka Tripura chini state no. Okay, jeng omoni details scheme or scheme ni details jeng nailai omo belakino important ngai chini TPSC exam rong ni bagai tau biskango exam phai dong TCS TPS TFS omo rong bagai belakin nagong maning nai. Okay, jeng details nailai tabo tama scheme. The state government of Tripura has decided to start a scheme for school students from 25th June 2020. State government of Tripura decide khai ke borok tamo kaisa scheme start khai school student rong ni bagai bufron chimi 25 June 2020 moitunar di date bufron chimi omo cholinai o scheme saboni bagai school students rong ni bagai important omo kaisa point jotono important. Okay, next point thanglani the scheme will be implemented via SMS or WhatsApp. O scheme by ke start khai jingnai SMS ya ke tamo WhatsApp tui tangai himna tabu to lockdown abon bagai o scheme nai as per the scheme name Play Little or Play Little means kisa thangni man. Okay, students apart from studies will also be provided with fun and games activity. O scheme ni mote students rok poriman loge kisa tamo thangnan banang hinju. Okay, thangjangnai games rok rejangnai WhatsApp rok tei SMS rok tei kaisa game rejangnai interesting students rong bagai activities motivate khainan bagai ketai tamnagi. Next point, the scheme will benefit students from 4398 government school 4398 school benefit mannai taitamo private school kai basangnai di 335 private school across the state chini Tripura je school private school ka 335 government school ka 4398 benefit mannai o scheme. Okay, next thanglani to 6. What is the amount sanctioned by Center for Augmentation of Healthcare Facilities in Northeastern States? Center ne hoite kaisa amount sanction angka tamo healthcare ne hoite healthcare facility rejangnai tamo bujaga takphano healthcare developing yako facility rok developing yako ajaga o Northeastern State je tongmani ajaga o tamo kaisa amount sanction angka a amount busak A 190 crore rupees, B 200 crore rupees, 250 crore rupees, D 300 crore rupees. Right answer angka 190 crore rupees. Mujnardi notice ni bagai sabai sanction kaisa kanani sanction by Dr. Jitendra Singh sabo sangmiani current affairs so porikha chang Union Minister of State Development of Northeastern Region. Dunar means Development of Northeastern Region Minister. The Ministry of Dunar has also given the Northeast states the option to send proposal for health related project to be funded up to over rupees 500 crore. Ministry of Dunar ni hoite option rajaka proposal send khainani bagai North East state ni joto state ni bag joto North East state ni joto state government dong proposal rohnan bagai sajaka tamni related dong healthcare project ni bagai afan basaknai joto North East state ni bagai 500 crore rupees from North East Special Infrastructure Development Scheme scheme ni through te Mungkin idea proposal have been received from 7 states except Tripura. North East ni 8 state ni 7 state no proposal rohoga. Sab rohya ko Tripura simi rohya ko chin state simi rohya ko tapuno 8 state means buji bai khana le Sikkim butong chin Sikkim so omong ka static ji ke klayo mo ngomo chung Delhi na lene Delhi no country tinta country ni capital currency muitunar klani chen omai ki Delhi na jong ka chung tai pokla tai exam ni bagi bo belakino na exam to belakino phayo capital phayo currency phayo first country tamo Azerbaijan amuk ka uncommon nai country omorong no exam phaiku je common country rong ni capital lok phaiku gya je saiman ku gya abono phaiku exam abon bagino जों खारि tongo Azerbaijan capital ngha Baku mujunar de currency ngha manat binoro rangcholi mani rangni bumo borongro tamcholi manat tamni mujunar Azerbaijan Baku manat hindi Azerbaijan Baku manat ni tongli ngan mujutong ngi tongnai Delhi na khengke mujongi thanai ingken in bagino belekhen chanai next Bhutan capital ngha Bhutan ni tamo Thimphu currency Nagaltram last year Tripani TPSC exam LD assistant no kaisa question phaja Nagaltram bo country ni currency ni nge ko jungnai tong hangke easily mind thanai pujagani Bhutan next Brazil nge to common no capital tamo Brasilia bini currency tamo real porongoro rangni bung tamo real Ingke mujunar gitonde Bhutan Thimphu Nagaltram Brazil Brasilia real Delhi no chung tinta country ni capital currency khalini Delhi nai tong hangke tai mujok bogya abon bagai next organization bung tamo UNESCO bini full form United Nations Educational Scientific and Cultural Organization full form mujunar de headquarter bro Paris France formation bukro snamjaka 4 November 1945 was snamjaka Director General Head Sabo Audrey Azoulay country member kaibasa country tong organization 193 tato omo bu phayo belakin important country member exam rogo ambai jotono tini ni current affairs session asung nangkha norok chini o session no naitukja khangke chaja khangke jekapano norok like khairidi tai kisa share khairidi tai chini Facebook page no bo follow khaidi Facebook o star career tai free PDF manan bagai Telegram follow khaidi tai subscribe khainin ta pokdi abone ulo bell icon bo siniridi chini daily current affairs phakyanke update manan bagai